ragamuffin. Listen. Bad boys, little boys, rude big boys, naughty boys, bribery and jackass. Hear me now, silly boys, roughneck bandwagons. Hey you boys, you silly boys, you take a rasta or a tour. You shouldn't do that. You shouldn't do that. No, no. You shouldn't do this. No, no way. You shouldn't do that. No. Hear me now. Run, come. I go home. Run, come. Rome is not our own. Run, come. Rome shall be overthrown. Run, come. Before the gates are closed. They're living a life that's not their home. Won't you listen to them now? It seems the Romans have got them on remote control. Power and possession, Mr. See what they. But one day you must pay for what is life without truth and rights. Hear me now. Run, come. I go home. Run, come. Rome is not our home. Run, come. Come, let's march to our goal. Run, come. Before the gates are closed, they're living a life that's not of moral conception. The Romans have got them right down on depression. Hear me now. Bad boys, rude boys, silly boys,